Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you permanently delete apps from iCloud on your iPhone. If you wish to permanently delete apps from iCloud, you have to follow these steps. Open up your settings on your iPhone. Then you have to go ahead and click on the iCloud icon or the iCloud ID. Moving on, you want to scroll down a bit and go to iCloud sections. When you go to the iCloud section here, you'll be able to find this section as Manage Storage. You have to go ahead and click that out. And then you want to go ahead and click on Backup. As you go to the Backup section, you'll be able to see the apps that is backed up. So you could go ahead and click on Show All Apps. And once you need to do is, and here what you need to do is just go ahead and toggle the button for a specific app that you no longer needed. And that is the way you could permanently delete app from iCloud on iPhone. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.